Well, first, you approach from behind. Second, you ask the raven if that's a good spot. And third, you do not go below the neck, else you might have a problem. Have you ever wondered where a raven ear was? Oh, there's the raven ear. It's just this hole beside the head. You ever wondered what that is? Oh, that is a thin translucent eyelid called a nictitating membrane. Birds and reptiles have them to protect their eye so they can blink and still see at the same time. Subscribe to our channel. Bye, Lil. You're a good girl.